Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Mini Cooper key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This simple task takes less than 5 minutes, and you can easily do it yourself at home. Let's get started and get your key working perfectly again. Now, locate the small slot on the side of your Mini Cooper key fob. It's typically found near where you attach your key ring. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. This is the first step to accessing the battery compartment. Once the screwdriver is in the slot, gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. They should separate with minimal effort. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. This ensures proper function. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and gently snap them back together until they are securely closed. Give it a good squeeze to ensure everything is sealed. Immediately test your key's lock, unlock, and trunk release functions to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to these leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.